My dad used to say that the heart is deceitful and wicked.
You should pay more attention to your dreams. You are searching for a book that contains all the secrets of the world.
I still haven't found the book.
Remember, Zeke, just because a man finds what he's looking for does not mean he can't lose it all in one moment. Dreaming again? Here, have some tea. A year before I met you, I had a dream that a mighty strong west wind blew through this area. I stood in the center of it, and on its wings, it brought the cries of a man looking for a treasure, and he told me he would need my help. Have you thought about what your own dreams could mean?
I don't know, man. All I know is that these dreams keep coming
And so, you should pay more attention to your dreams.
What's the point? I know why I'm here, man. I don't believe in fantasies.
You are searching for a book that contains all the secrets of the world because you think it will give you the meaning and purpose you've been actually searching for. It's been 3 years, Zeke.
And I still haven't found the book.
You are just going in circles instead of moving forward when forward is the only way. Even if it leads you through fire.
My dad used to say that the heart is deceitful and wicked. It tells a man to leave his home in search of a treasure, only to drive him desperate and mad on the journey. It takes him down the long, winded route, only to have him come up with dead ends. It shows him love that he can never own, only to remind him daily of what he sacrificed. I used to love Deep, yo. And I let her go because of all the things my heart told me was ahead of my heart. This heart tricks a man and fools him and reminds him of every mistake he's ever made and tells him to run and keep on running, selling him the dream of redemption and purpose and being in the form of a book. My heart. I used to believe it was guiding me. And even if I still did, I don't think I could find everything I've been searching for.
Every moment of this journey matters, Zeke. These dreams that you keep having, I know that heart is curious about what lies ahead. There is a quicker way to find the book. You could abandon your way and let the wind take you.
Come on, man, that's impossible.
Let me tell you something about the wind, Zeke. In a land and language near here, there is a word that means spirit. They say ruah. But in ancient times, that word had much more meaning to it. It also meant breath and wind. Do you know why? Because everything comes from the same place. It's breath. It's breath that causes all these sands to blow all around you. It's winds. It's winds that fill these bodies of dust and brings them to life. It refreshes the most stagnant of places and tears down whatever stands in its way. The thing about the wind is, it goes wherever it pleases. No one knows where it's coming from, and no one knows where it's going to. It is just like that with those who are off the spirit. Those who have truly come alive. You see, when a person rides that wind forward and somehow surrenders, every element in the heavens and on this earth comes alongside the search.
That's
Nothing is impossible, Zeke.
No. Who are you?
I'm just a voice in the desert. Now let's go.
Why should I follow you?
Because I can lead you to the book.
So you believe in miracles?
Our Earth is flying through space at speed not known to man in an endless expanding universe. And we're both here, in this place, at this very unique point in time. And we both know where miracles come from, so you should know that you don't conduct the miracle.
The miracle is all around you. And if you let it, it passes through you and into this world.
As it is in the heaven, so it is
on the earth.
Remember, Zeke, just because a man finds what he's looking for does not mean he can't lose it all in one moment. Do not store up treasures here on earth who must can destroy it. Every single part of your journey, everything you've learned is heavier than gold. When you die, those treasures don't. Bye, Zeke.
Hey!
مش حاجة؟ خد شوف. ده مجنون. سيبه، احنا جينا هنا ليه؟ سيبه بص.